So what I have here is a really unique manila folder that has 4 tabs. I found this at the Staples. And then I took that and embellished it with some beautiful scrapbook papers and some stickers and such. There isn't a goal or dream that will ever come true without action and planning. So I want to talk to you specifically about the titles or the function of each of these tabs. So the first tab is, what are you planning? We all have wonderful ideas, and I find writing that down is really beneficial. Second tab is, how are you taking action? I got this paper at Michael's, and this is where I'll be tracking the actual actions. So you could create something similar in a bullet journal or a dot grid journal, and you would just have to draw everything in yourself. Whatever system you use, as long as you are excited to be in it and it functions for you, that's all that really matters. And then this is just a little fun fold out here for me to put more inspiration notes and things like that. And you'll notice there's lots of open space for me to add more inspiration, to journal, make notes, and things like that. So the third tab is, how are you going to measure success? This is something that I really want to encourage you to spend a fair amount of time thinking about, because it's really easy to fall into the traps that society creates for us, right? Like, do you measure success by the amount of money? Do you measure it by the impact you have on other people? Whatever measures you want to use are completely fine, but just make sure that that really means success to you. And then the fourth component of my system is reflections, and that is at the back so I can add more pages to this. So in this particular reflection section, I'm going to be reflecting on the impact that my actions had. How did it impact other people in my life? How did it impact my life? What kinds of things would I change? How might this lead to something else? What other ideas were sparked as a result of my plans and actions? So I hope you will consider creating your own custom system. If you would like to join the Plan to Be Creative community, it is free. We have a whole community where there's a forums and you can post pictures and connect with each other 24/7. You have access to a live room. All of this is free. It's open to anybody who is interested in joining. To get the link to join, I need you to email me expressing your interest at Andrea@Sewspire.com. And I hope to see you on Monday, June 3rd, 7 p.m. Eastern Time for the kickoff meeting of Plan to Be Creative. If you happen to be watching this video at a future date, you're still welcome to join us. First Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the content, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have an awesome day.